Do you have some yogurt at home? If you don't, please get some and let me show you how to enjoy yogurt in a premium way. Get your yogurt. I'm using unsweetened yogurt, oats, berries, and for that luxury effect, gold leaf and chocolate to decorate. I'm so glad that it's getting easier to buy strawberries now. Do you know that berries are generally good and perfect for managing blood sugar? The same goes for unsweetened yogurt. You can say it's an anti-aging drink also. For this premium delight, strawberry smoothie and also yogurt popsicle, toast your oat lightly, pour in your yogurt into the blender, add your oats and diced berries. Allow your blender to bring everything to a smooth consistency. Wow, so creamy, and the flavor is really good. You can add milk to your recipe, but here it's looking pink and has a perfect strawberry flavor. Pour it into your glass, top it with more strawberries, then fill your glass halfway with some yogurt and top it also with your smoothie. Add a bit of oat and a slice of strawberry and you can't say no to this deliciousness. Next, get your chocolate, melt it and allow it to cool a bit. Bring out your silicone mold, pour in the chocolate and let it freeze. Let's make 4 different popsicles with toppings. We already have the chocolate. Add the smoothie and pour more chocolate to give it a marble effect. Next, plain yogurt. Add oat toppings and sliced strawberries. Now mix the plain and the strawberry smoothie together and marble it. Add a few gold leaf. Dip a few strawberries into your chocolate and add your gold leaf. And now it's time to freeze the chocolate, strawberries and yogurt popsicles. You have to wait for the freezing effect. So while waiting, you can nibble on your strawberries. And here comes a beautiful work of art and delicious cooling satisfaction. Bringing them out of the mold is so satisfying already, and with a bit of chocolate yogurt popsicle, so satisfying. And now you have your chocolate strawberry and your yogurt popsicle. I'm so proud of this recipe. You really have to recreate this recipe. Keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites and subscribe. Thank you.